friends, welcome to Chefi Mums and Zed. Today I'm going to show you my most favorite Thai dish, the Thai basil chicken. Now this is a kind of stir fry, but the meat here is either minced or coarsely chopped, so that makes it really quick and easy for you to make. Now we need very minimal ingredients for this lovely dish, so I'll just quickly go through with the ingredients with you first. Now to begin with, we need minced chicken. I have taken 1 kg chicken breast, which I had roughly cut and put it through a food processor, which gave me this consistency. Now if you have a chopper, you can also chop it roughly on a chopping board. Then we need 1 red chili. This is fresh red chili. I've used only half since my baby doesn't eat too spicy. Then I have taken fresh green beans, which I have cut on a slant. Then I have taken some fresh basil. Now in this recipe, ideally you should be using Thai basil or the holy basil, but neither of us I could get hold of, but I had some fresh basil on hand, so I used that one. Then we need caster sugar, about 2 tablespoons, little bit salt to taste, some garlic which I have cut a bit more chunky, not too fine. Then we need some pepper, some soy sauce, some fish sauce, some rice vinegar and oyster sauce. Now before we start making our stir fry, we need to make a stir fry sauce. I've shown this recipe in one of my previous stir fry recipes, so you can refer that, but I'm showing it one more time here. So I've taken 2 tablespoons caster sugar. To that I will be adding 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, adding about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a good dash of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Give it a good mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Okay guys, now we will start making our stir fry. So for that I have heated up a big wok. If you have a wok at home, you can use that. Otherwise use a big wide pan that will help in cooking your meat evenly. I have put some oil in here, and to that I will be adding my garlic. While your garlic is sauteing and browning a little bit, at this stage I will add the chili and saute that as well. Next I will add the chicken mince to this. Add a little bit of salt. Remember, your sauces are quite salty, so don't go too overboard with this. Just enough to season your meat. And a good sprinkle of freshly ground pepper. Try to break down the meat, guys, nicely, because when it's in the minced form, it can form clumps. Now guys, our chicken has cooked almost 60%. At this stage, I will add my beans. If you want, you can pre-blanch your beans and then add it at a later stage. But I just want them to cook in the steam of the meat. So I'm just adding it now. Okay guys, I will be adding our stir fry sauce into the mix now and keep cooking it on high flame. So guys, our chicken is looking almost ready. Now I'm doing one additional step to this recipe, which is taking some corn flour. This is about 1 tablespoon corn flour, which I have diluted with 1 tablespoon of water. And I'll be adding it just a little bit to thicken the juices from the chicken. The last and most important step, adding the basil. So I'm just lightly tearing it apart and then adding a good handful of basil into my chicken.